Hello everyone, my name is DarKalligraph and I'm back from my break. Hello everyone again. Today I'm going to be using some watercolor pencils for the first time. I've never used this before, but I'm really excited to try, so let's go. Today I'm going to be making another galaxy. And these are really simple, and if you can't tell by now, I really like these. I'm going to begin with some dark blue, and I'm going to layer it, getting darker as I move along. After this, I'm going to switch to a different color and basically repeat that process. And now I'm adding some purple, and at the top will be some black. So now that I've finished with the coloring, well, when I say I've never used watercolor pencils before, that's kind of a lie, because I have, but I've never actually used water with them, so why don't we try it? So after watching a few watercolor tutorials on YouTube, as I normally do when I'm trying these things, I've learned that beginning from the lighter area works the best. So I'm going to go from the bottom left, and I'm going to do strokey movements all the way until the darkest, and I'm going to just keep doing that until the end, and I think it's pretty satisfying. So enjoy. And now that is done, I simply have to wait. Lucky for you, however, with the power of editing, I get to cut out the about maybe like half an hour to an hour that I had to wait. So yeah. And so now with that I can begin coloring in the trees. So it actually took a little bit longer than I thought it would be to dry, and to be honest, it wasn't actually dry in the corner when I did this. But you know what, I couldn't wait, I wasn't patient enough, so I just begun. There are two types of pine trees that I'm going to be drawing. The first has the leaves going down, which is the one on the left, and the second has the leaves going up, which is the one on the right. Wow, that was a lot to say in just 30 seconds, that was pretty tight. So now I've added a little hill in the foreground, and then we can continue to draw some trees, so enjoy the time lapse. Now, this would not be a DarKalligraph video without any calligraphy, so I'm going to be writing the quote, "Mistakes are the portals of discovery" by James Joyce. I'm going to be doing that normal style that I normally do for these types of things, and yeah, I'm going to be using the same pencils I did for the trees, and just enjoy the time lapse. And to finish it all off, we need to add all the little stars as like a nice little finishing touch. Add a few like actual star shapes and a moon, and then we're done. Oh, and I can't forget to take off the sticky tape that I used for the first time, and hopefully it works. Here is the final product. I absolutely love watercolor pencils. Hopefully I can do some more in the future. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have a good day. Goodbye.